first thing you're going to notice about this video is that I'm not a videographer. I'm a cook. And I apologize for the quality here because I had my lighting wrong and I'm learning. So what I've done is I've spritzed the chicken that we just prepped in the bowl, and I went ahead and spritzed it with olive oil. Now I'm arranging the chicken onto the cooking tray that comes with my air fryer. So you'll probably be able to better see me in the reflection that what I'm doing instead of the food prep area. So I'm putting the chicken into the air fryer, and now what I'm going to do is do the settings. I'm 375 for 6 minutes, and then when it finishes, then I'm going to pull it out. And I just want to give you a handy tip. First of all, you need to have some kind of a pot holder or a silicone glove or something, because it will be hot then. And now I'm stirring this up and mixing it around. But the next tip I want to tell you is when you're working with the air fryer baskets, you want to use something like a baking sheet underneath it, or you're going to have crumbs everywhere. I learned this the hard way, so I thought I'd share that little tip with you. I'm going to spritz it again because it's still kind of in the frying process, and then I'm going to put it in the air fryer. I just decided to use the top basket. The rotisserie has a little knob on each side, and sometimes it's harder to get the basket in and out on that particular layer. I think I have about 4 shelves on my on my air fryer. So I'm stirring it up a little bit again, and I'm going to put it back in. And what I did on this particular, like I said, it's hard to get it in if you use the wrong one. Sorry about that. But I think I have 4 shelves on mine. I have an extra large air fryer. There's so many different kinds. I actually really love this one. And now I'm going to pull it out again, and now as you can see, it's starting to brown. So I've cooked it twice and spritzed it. I'm not going to spritz it anymore at this point. I spritzed it initially and then I spritzed it again. Now I'm just going to brown it up a little bit. So I'm going to put it on 400 for 2 minutes and check it again. And it's pretty browned, so I'm just going to set it aside and put it on a plate and get it ready to serve. So that's pretty much how I do the chicken. I will let you know that sometimes the air fryer basket, what I did, because some of the chicken will bake onto it, I just soaked it in hot soapy water for about 10 minutes and then it wiped right out. And then after your oven cools down, I'm going to cut this open and do a taste test. Sorry, I'm on high speed so you can see me chewing. It's kind of goofy, sorry about that. But anyway, I really enjoyed this chicken. It was good, it was crisp, it was tender on the inside, so I really like the way the air fryer does the chicken. The only downside to using an air fryer for the chicken is, I am from Arkansas and we don't get gravy with it because there's no grease to make the gravy with, no drippings. But after your air fryer cools, it's really easy to just wipe out the crumbs, and then you can have it ready for use for the next time. So I hope you enjoyed this video and have a blessed day.